Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Fire Pickles from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off in the middle and let's draw the nose with a sideways oval. And now inside, let's draw two long oval shapes. Next, let's hop up and let's draw another curve on top of the nose. And that's it for the nose. Next, let's draw the eyes on top with two circles. And now inside each eye, let's add another circle in the middle. And now let's add another set of smaller circles inside on the top right. And now let's color the pupils in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's hop up and draw the horns. On top of each eye, let's draw a curve. And then let's curve it up and back down, forming a point. And that's it for the horns. Next, let's hop back down and draw the mouth. Underneath the left side of the nose here, let's draw a curve outwards like this. And the same on the right side. Now from the ends, let's curve it back down and in. And then let's connect it at the bottom with a curve across. Next, let's hop inside and add the teeth. Underneath in the middle, let's draw two small V shapes. And then two larger ones next to it on the sides here. And that's it for the mouth. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start with a curve across in between the horns. Now let's hop under the horn and let's continue that line by curving it down underneath the mouth. And next, let's move in. And on the sides, let's draw another curve around the mouth like this. And that's it for the shape of the head. Next, let's hop up and add the ears. On the top left, let's draw a curve up and continue it behind the horn like this. And then from the end, let's curve it down. And now let's do the same thing on the right side. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the arms. Let's start on the left side of the head and let's draw two curves out. And hop over and do the same thing on the right. Now from the top line, let's draw an S-shaped curve up and then back down for the first finger. Now let's add another finger out and back in. Then another one that's slightly smaller. And again, one more smaller one going down. And then let's close off both hands with a curve across. And that's it for the hands. Next, let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start underneath the arms on the left and let's draw a curve out. And then let's do another one underneath here. And now let's do the same thing on the right. Next, for each leg, let's curve it down like this. Next, let's add the feet. From the outside line, let's curve it down. And then for the inside, let's draw a shorter curve. And then add a bump at the bottom. And now let's close off the bottom of each foot with a curve. Next, inside each foot, let's add the toes. We'll start with 3 curves up in the left side, and the same thing on the right. And that's it for the feet. Lastly, let's add the tail underneath. We'll start in the middle under the head and let's draw an S-shaped curve down and over to the left. Then a curve on the left side to close it off. And that's it for Fire Pickles. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!